KardiaMobile ECG device app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe what this tiny device can reveal about your heart. The KardiaMobile ECG device app has become a game changer for heart health, putting clinical level monitoring right in your pocket. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. KardiaMobile is incredibly easy to use. Just place your fingers on the sensors and within 30 seconds, it captures a medical-grade ECG reading right through your smartphone. The app instantly analyzes your heart rhythm, detecting conditions like atrial fibrillation, bradycardia, and tachycardia. It's FDA-cleared, giving it strong credibility among doctors and patients alike. Portability is unmatched. It's about the size of a credit card, meaning you can carry it anywhere. The Kardia app stores your readings, provides detailed insights, and allows easy sharing with your doctor. For anyone managing heart conditions, this instant access to accurate data can be life-changing. Another big plus is peace of mind. You don't have to wait for appointments or hospital visits to know how your heart is doing. And with regular use, you can track patterns that help prevent issues before they become serious. Now, the cons. While the basic version of the app is free, advanced reports and eye-driven insights require a paid subscription. The device also only captures single lead ECGs, good for screening, but not as comprehensive as a full hospital-grade setup. Some users also report false positives if fingers aren't placed correctly or if there's background interference. In conclusion, the KardiaMobile ECG device app delivers impressive technology in a tiny package. It's ideal for those who want control over their heart health or need ongoing monitoring between doctor visits. Though it's not a complete replacement for clinical testing, it's a powerful early warning system that fits in your hand and could literally save your life.